The Ant and the Parrot. In a far-away jungle, there lived an ant. One day, along with the other ants, she went out to work. The weather got windy and started to rain. A parrot was resting close by. The ants were walking along on a thin twig to cross the lake underneath them. Suddenly, the twig broke and the ant fell into the lake below. The ant didn't know how to swim. The parrot arrived there. On seeing the ant drowning, she tried to help by asking the ant to paddle her legs. But the ant couldn't and was struggling hard. Suddenly, the parrot had an idea. She quickly plucked off a leaf and dropped it into the water near the struggling ant. The ant moved towards the leaf and climbed up there. She was safe. She thanked the parrot for saving her life. The ant and the parrot became friends from there on. Days passed by. One day, a hunter came to the forest. He saw the parrot sleeping. He wanted to get her. At that moment, the ant was passing by. He saw the hunter. The hunter had taken position to shoot the arrow. The ant had an idea. She went and bit the man's leg. The parrot was awakened on listening the hunter's cry of pain. The ant had saved the parrot's life. One good turn deserves another.